Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen and to another simple recipe. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my favorite way to cook gonja. I coated them in a spicy cinnamon flavored batter before frying them in some oil for a delightful and delicious snack, which is crusty on the outside and soft on the inside. Let's get started. Alright, so the ingredients and their measurements are listed for you in the description below, and as you can see, I am adding all my dried ingredients to a bowl. The wheat, which can be substituted for rice flour, oat flour or tapioca, sugar, baking powder, and here I have some cinnamon, ginger and chili powder. I feel like the chili powder is what gives the fritters that indescribable explosion of sweet and hotness in my mouth. Now you just want to whisk everything together until well incorporated. Now to the same bowl, you're going to add all the wet ingredients: lemon juice, vanilla essence, milk, and an egg. Whisk until the batter has this lovely smooth consistency. Now here I have my plantains. The best ones to use are the ones which are very ripe because they are sweeter, but stay away from the wrinkled and mushy ones. Add them to the batter and fold in bulungi, and then I'm going to be right back to show you what's next after this. Okay, so now you want to add your oil to a frying pan and heat it up. Not too hot or the fritters will burn without cooking on the inside. Drop serving spoonfuls of the batter into the hot oil and fry gently until golden and cooked through. It normally takes me anywhere between 6 and 8 minutes, and I make sure to flip the fritters at least once halfway through cooking. Oh my goodness, I just love this golden brown color on the cooked fritters. And I'm just going to place them in a bowl which I have lined with kitchen paper towels to drain off any excess oil. Do you know, the only thing I can say at this point is that you will not regret making these spicy gonja fritters because they are really amazing. Please do share the video with someone who you know loves plantains, okay? Thank you so much for watching today's video, and until my next one, may the good Lord bless you. Bye!